Hi everyone, Annie here. Today I will show you one of the key features of our AnyBackup, that is VMware Backup. We all know that virtualization is prevailing in recent years due to its cost and maintenance advantages, and VMware is the most widely used virtual platform undoubtedly. But when mentioning backup and recovery for VMware virtual platforms, we always complain it is really suffering. If using traditional physical backup solutions, the virtual machines cannot be protected efficiently and the performance of virtual hosts will be impacted seriously. If using specialist virtual machine solutions, the performance is enhanced, but contrarily they are not physical friendly. So it comes a problem: how to backup and recover virtual machines efficiently? Don't worry, AnyBackup can. It can not only centrally protect your virtual and physical machine, but can protect virtual machines efficiently as well. We have both normal backup and advanced backup. For normal backup, you can use browse recovery to recover the whole virtual machine, and for advanced backup, you can perform instant recovery for the whole virtual machine in minutes, or you can use granular recovery to recover a single file. Now let me show you how it does directly. Here we have the console interface. If you want to backup VMware, you do not need to install client to the virtual machine or virtual platform. That is what we call agentless backup, so as to eliminate the impact on virtual host. Then how can we do? Just create the virtual client by clicking the gear button and select Create Virtual Client VMware and enter the IP of your VMware client. Here take this client as an example. Enter the username and its password and select Agent Client. Here, we can choose the built-in agent client of console or other clients. If we choose the built-in client, both normal backup and advanced backup are available, while if choosing other clients, only normal backup can be performed. So we choose the built-in client as an example. That is this one. Okay, the VMware client has been created successfully. Then we need to configure the data reception IP and volumes in device management. Here we need to enter the IP and create media in media management. Add OFS volume to store backup data. And if you want to do advanced backup, it is necessary to create the mount volume. Now we can perform backup now. Back to data protection, backup management, and we can create VMware backup job by clicking New. First select the client and click New, regular backup, VMware, and fill in this dialog box. For example, we can name it VMware Backup. The remarks can be empty, but we can write something here to briefly introduce the job, such as advanced backup. Then select the backup destination. In AnyBackup, data deduplication can be enabled and you can set data copies here. You can set the copy count by your actual data amount and storage space. As we mentioned just now, both normal backup and advanced backup are supported. The only operation difference is that you need to take off VMware Advanced Backup Way here. Yes, and we click Next and select the virtual machine to be backed up, such as the test machine here, and click Next. Then you can set the job plan here. You can set to perform the job once per day, per week, per month, and then it will execute automatically according to the plan. For example, you can set it to execute for backup every set day. At 1 o'clock a.m. and click OK. Then the backup job can be created successfully. Of course, if you want to modify something, just click Edit and you can edit something. Then select the backup job and click Start Backup. and for backup can be executed immediately. Click Job Monitoring and you can see the details, the execution of this here. Here you can see that the job succeeded. In our introduction, we have mentioned that we can perform browse recovery for normal backup job, but as this is advanced backup, we can select advanced recovery or instant recovery according to your own needs. If certain file is broken or lost, we can choose advanced recovery, which is also called granular recovery. We can select the time point and the data source. For example, we select the documents and settings and then select the client. For example, we just restore it to my desktop. Click Next and Done. See what happened? The document and settings has been recovered to my desktop. Finally, let's see instant recovery. If the whole virtual machine is down and you need to use it for emergencies, you can use instant recovery to mount the virtual machine to the virtual platform. Click Start Instant Recovery and select the time point, the virtual machine, and the host. You can choose to boot a virtual machine automatically after recovery or connect network automatically after recovery. And click Done. You can see the job is executing. Here you can see that the instant recovery is successful. Okay, it costs 12 seconds. Then we go to the host to see where it is. Here is the virtual machine recovered instantly. You can use it directly when you are sure you don't need this virtual machine for emergency anymore. Then clone or migrate this virtual machine to the original or the similar platform and stop the job. That's all for today. Thank you for listening.